In this video, I will show you how to use frames and grids in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is click on elements, and then you will see the frames and grids here. And then I will show you the similarities and differences of these two. And here is the grids. You will see it has a rectangular shape. So I will choose these two rows. Then after that, I will go to frames, and then I will choose that similar to grid. So you will see it has other options like a shapes, flowers, devices, like that. So I will choose the similarities of grid here. So I'll choose this. And then after that, I will put a picture here. So you can click on uploads to upload a picture that you want here. Click on upload files or click on elements. Then click on photos and then search for the photos that you want. So for example, I will choose this, and also this for the frames here. And then after that, so here in grids, you can adjust the photo here, like in the correct angle, like that, and also in the frames. Then after that, in frames, when you try the transparency, it transparent all the photos here and also the grid. And then in the grid, you can see the spacing here. You can adjust the spacing here on the grid, like that. But on the frames, you will see that it has no spacing. So you can use this only on the grid. And then you can flip the photo here on the grid, like horizontal and vertical. You can also flip it on frames, like that. And then after that, click on elements again. So here on the grids, it has a one shapes or two shapes only, like rectangles and square, like that. But in frames, it has a lot of options. It has a lot of different shapes, like this, like the devices, like the film and photo. So I will show you the example. And also in frames, you can include a video here. So for example, I will put a video here. So I will drag this, and then you can play the video on these devices. Then here you can also add photos for this type of frames. And that's it. That's how you use grid and frames in Canva. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.